Good morning, children. Wish you all a very happy Children's Day. This is the first time that we are having the Children's Day celebration from home because of this COVID pandemic. The teachers have organized various activities for you to take part in, and I hope you are all taking part in those activities and exhibiting your creative talents. Next year, by this time, I'm sure the schools will start functioning normally and you will all be here. The school is missing you, the teachers are missing you, I miss you, and I hope to see you all in school in the next academic year. Have a lovely Children's Day, enjoy your special day, and I have only one advice. Please be responsible in your studies and learn because you need to learn. Please don't neglect your studies. That's all. Wishing you a very happy Children's Day once again.
Good morning, children. Hi, it's great to be with all of you today. We sincerely miss you at school. We are fed up of seeing the empty buildings and it is so quiet around. It feels very, very lonely here. Today is Children's Day. I think you all know why we celebrate Children's Day. It is celebrated as Chacha Nehru's birthday. He was born on 14th November 1889 to a Kashmiri parents, and he loved children, and that is why his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. Usually every year we have programs in the school by the teachers. Teachers prepare it for you. You know, children, one year I had become Narendra Modi and dressed like him and spoke like him. This year I hope all the children are participating in the online program to show your talents. This year you have to stay at home indoors, so make the most of these circumstances and change this option to the best of your ability. Do things that you were not able to do during your school time. Help your parents, stay at home, spend time with your grandparents, learn some life skills which you may not be able to learn when you grow up. Nothing learned goes waste. It comes handy, it comes of help at the right time in your life. Finally, a word of caution. Keep safe, keep healthy. Most important, do not get tempted by the social media. I would like to end my words by quoting a few lines. Be wild, be a child, jump, play and take a ride. Smile wide, keep your phones aside. Give your precious time to your parents. Have fun, enjoy your day. Live life, live it your way. Thank you, children, and a happy Children's Day to all of you.
A very happy Children's Day to each one of you. It's great talking to you all. I know challenging times, but then the way you children have converted these challenges into opportunities is amazing. I have seen the work that is done by y'all on various occasions. And it is so encouraging to see the kind of learning that is happening. A small little message I have for you is that, see, in the last few months, this must be the maximum time that you have ever spent with your parents at home. Many years later, you will all go out to various places from your home. So the time that we actually spent at home is very, very less. So why not convert it into quality time, into good memories? So I think every day, at least half an hour, the whole family has to be together, talk together, have fun together, laugh together, play some games. I mean, keeping away all your devices and everything away. So use this time to bond, because children, relationships are the most important things in life. And many, many years later, when you look back, you will remember the sweet memories that you have created and the kind of bonding that happens in the family. Okay. Wish you all the very best. Once again, a very happy Children's Day. God bless.
Wishing you all a very happy Children's Day. A day when not only you we teachers also eagerly waited to do something for you. Hope you all are safe. Hope you all are having quality time with your parents, with your relatives. Things have started coming to normal, or we have started thinking that yes, normal life has to go on. Many have started going out with your friends. Many have started attending functions. You are going out with your parents. But please follow all the instructions given. These instructions are to keep us safe and to see to it that we don't cause problems to others also. So follow all these instructions. They're not restrictions. They're just instructions to keep us safe. Follow all these instructions. Be safe, be happy, enjoy the day. Once again, wishing you all a very happy and warm Children's Day. Thank you.
नमस्ते। बच्चे तो मन के सच्चे होते हैं। बाल दिवस के इस अवसर पर आप सबको मेरी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Children are the most precious gifts that we have in our lives. Believe in yourself and follow your dreams. Happy Children's Day to all. Thank you.
നമസ്കാരം. ഇന്ന് നവംബർ 14 കുട്ടികളെ ഏറെ സ്നേഹിച്ച ജവഹർലാൽ നെഹ്റുവിൻ്റെ ജന്മദിനം. കൊറോണ എന്ന മഹാമാരിയെ അതിജീവിക്കാനുള്ള ശ്രമങ്ങൾക്കിടയിലും നമ്മുടെ ചാച്ചാജിയെ അടുത്തറിയാനുള്ള ഒരു അവസരം കൂടിയാകട്ടെ ഈ സുദിനം. തൻ്റെ ജന്മദിനം ശിശുദിനമായി ആഘോഷിക്കുന്നതിൽ അദ്ദേഹം ഏറെ സന്തുഷ്ടനായിരുന്നു. തൻ്റെ കോട്ടിൻ്റെ ഹൃദയഭാഗത്ത് ഒരു ചെമ്പനീർ പൂവ് ഇന്നും ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. കുട്ടികളോടും പൂക്കളോടും അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് വളരെയധികം ഇഷ്ടമായിരുന്നു. 17 വർഷക്കാലം ഇന്ത്യയുടെ പ്രധാനമന്ത്രിയായിരുന്ന ജവഹർലാൽ നെഹ്റു ഒരു രാഷ്ട്രശില്പിയാണ്. ഇന്ത്യ എൻ്റെ രക്തത്തിൽ അലിഞ്ഞു ചേർന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് എന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുകയും പ്രഖ്യാപിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ സ്വദേശാഭിമാനത്തിൻ്റെ, സ്വന്തം ദേശത്തോടുള്ള അഭിമാനത്തിൻ്റെ ശബ്ദമാണ് ഉയർന്നു കേൾക്കാൻ കഴിയുന്നത്. വിശപ്പ്, അനാഥത്വം, ഭയം എന്നിവയാൽ ഒരു കുഞ്ഞും വിഷമിക്കരുത് എന്ന് ചിന്തിച്ച വ്യക്തിയാണ് അദ്ദേഹം. ശാന്തിയുടെയും സമാധാനത്തിൻ്റെയും സന്ദേശം ലോകത്തിന് പകർന്നുകൊടുത്ത വ്യക്തിയാണ്. ബാലവേലയും മറ്റും നിത്യസംഭവങ്ങളായി തുടരുന്ന ഇക്കാലത്ത് കുട്ടികൾക്ക് അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ വാക്കുകൾ പ്രചോദനവും വഴികാട്ടിയുമാണ്. മഹാത്മാഗാന്ധിജി തൻ്റെ പിൻഗാമിയായി പ്രഖ്യാപിച്ചത് ജവഹർലാൽ നെഹ്റുവിനെയായിരുന്നു. താൻ പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അദ്ദേഹം തൻ്റെ ഭാഷയിൽ സംസാരിക്കാൻ തുടങ്ങും എന്നാണ് ഗാന്ധിജി പറഞ്ഞത്. തന്ത്രജ്ഞനും എഴുത്തുകാരനും പ്രകൃതി സ്നേഹിയുമായ നമ്മുടെ ചാച്ചാജിയെ കൂടുതൽ അറിയാനും അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ സന്ദേശങ്ങൾ ലോകത്തിന് പകർന്നു നൽകാനും കുട്ടികളായ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അവസരമുണ്ടാകട്ടെ എന്ന് ആശംസിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ നിർത്തുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Happy Children's Day to my dear children.
Hi children, wishing you a happy Children's Day. Last year we had a great celebration. This year because of COVID we are not going to celebrate. We are going to celebrate in a virtual form. Enjoy your day.
Namaste. November masasya 14 दिनाङ्कः अस्माकं प्रथमप्रधानमन्त्रेः श्री जवाहर्लाल नेहरू महोदयस्य जन्मदिनः. सः बालप्रेमी आसीत्, अतः तद्दिनं शिशुदिनम् इति आचरन्ति. सर्वेषां मनसि किशोरावस्था अस्ति न? सर्वशिशूनां कृते शिशुदिन आशंसाः.
Hi children, all of you know the latest news. Kamala Harris has scripted history as the first woman to become the Vice President of the United States. We are all proud of her as she is the first woman of Indian heritage to occupy this office. Children, get inspiration from the lives of great people and do up to your potential and win your dreams. Happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Wishing all my dear children a happy Children's Day. This day is specially dedicated to you. Your just sweet smiles, your loving gestures, and your mere presence makes the day for us, dear children. We love you and we really miss you now. On this day, I have a small message for you all. All of you all have seen the door of the house, isn't it? It is smaller than the house. What about the lock? The lock is smaller than the door. What about the key? Key is the smallest, but it has the highest potential as it can open the entire house. In the same way, children, you all are the keys of our nation, and you have the power to open the doors of our country to success and fame. We agree that all of you all are not born with equal talents, but you all are provided with equal opportunities to develop your talents. So, grab all the opportunities that come your way. As you know, pearls are not obtained just from the seashore. To get it, you have to dive deep into the ocean and bear all the hardships for procuring it. So focus on your goals. You all have seen, even the powerful sun's rays cannot burn unless being focused. We know that knowledge brings us power, isn't it? But good character brings us respect. So, be obedient children, loving children, and respect your elders. Help your fellow being, and always thank God for all the blessings that He has showered on you all. And during this pandemic, be responsible citizens and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
The sweetest period of anybody's life is their childhood. This is the period where there is no tension in the life. Every child is a miracle, with each having their own way to make this world a beautiful place. We may be your teachers, but you know, we also have something to learn from you. Do you like to know what it is? To be happy for no reason. To be busy with something. And to demand with all the might that you want. Dear children, you are a future citizen. Learn to be a good human being first. God bless you. We miss you a lot. Enjoy a special day. Happy Children's Day. Bye.